In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Microsoft Clarity on Shopify. Microsoft Clarity is a free analytics tool that helps you understand how people interact with your website. It can show you things like session recordings and engagement insights, which makes it much easier to spot what is working and what might need improvement. To get started, you will simply install the Clarity app from the Shopify App Store and add it to your dashboard. First, go to your Shopify admin and open the Settings area. When you are inside Shopify, look for Settings in the left sidebar and then click into it. From there, find the section that says Apps and Sales Channels. This is where Shopify lets you manage applications connected to your store, including new tools you want to bring in for marketing, tracking, and analytics. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the correct place, because the next option you need is specifically in that area. After you open Apps and Sales Channels, you will see an option to access the Shopify App Store. In the top right corner of that page, click Shopify App Store. Shopify uses this button to take you out of your settings and into the marketplace where apps are listed. This step matters because installing Microsoft Clarity through the official store ensures it integrates properly with Shopify. Once the Shopify App Store opens, you need to search for Microsoft Clarity. In the search field, type Microsoft Clarity, then press Enter or select the search option. As you search, you should see the official Microsoft Clarity listing appear in the results. The key point here is to choose the correct app, since multiple analytics-related apps may show up. Look specifically for Microsoft Clarity and confirm it matches what you want to install. Next, click Install on the Microsoft Clarity app listing. Shopify will usually show a brief summary of what the app does, and then the Install button to begin adding it to your store. When you select Install, you are telling Shopify that you want to connect this app to your dashboard so you can start using it on your website. After you click Install, you will see a confirmation screen or an install prompt. Click Install again to add it to your dashboard. This second click is Shopify's way of confirming your choice and finalizing the connection. Spend a moment on this step to read what Shopify says on the screen because it is confirming permissions and integration details. Once you confirm, Microsoft Clarity should be added as an installed app in your Shopify admin. Now, at this point, you have completed the main installation portion. You may notice that Clarity is now available in the Apps and Sales Channels area, or it will appear in the list of connected applications. If you do not see it instantly, give the page a few seconds to refresh, and then check again in the same apps area. The goal is simply to verify that the app is successfully installed so you can configure it afterward. That is all the step-by-step installation for Microsoft Clarity on Shopify. After installation, you will typically move on to the next stage of setup inside the app, where you connect Clarity to your specific store and enable the tracking you need. For now, you have taken the critical first action, installing the app from the Shopify App Store and adding it to your dashboard. That covers everything you need to know.